Huawei P20 Lite Review. Huawei's mid-ranger is a notch or two below its brothers. If the Huawei P20 and the Huawei P20 Pro were designed to mix with smartphone royalty, then the Huawei P20 Lite is down there scrapping with the middle classes. At a price of £329, around $455/$580, though don't expect to find it widely available in the US, the P20 Lite is roughly half the price of the Huawei P20, and counts the likes of the Moto Z2 Play as a direct rival. Just like that other mid-ranger, Huawei's phone attempts to trickle down a little of the glamour and panache from higher up the range. Despite its lower price tag, the P20 Lite retains the dominant edge-to-edge display and distinctive notch of its big brothers. Add to that a dual-lens camera, a speedy fingerprint scanner and Android 8.0, and the Huawei P20 Lite starts to look a lot like a middleweight contender for the new edge-to-edge generation. While it's a solid effort from one of the world's biggest manufacturers, however, there are a few notable shortfalls that might make you question whether it truly provides value for money. Dropping down a notch. Sports speedy face recognition. A stylish all-screen look. You could say that the main purpose of any light phone is to provide a rough approximation of the flagship at a more accessible price point. It needs to be readily identifiable as part of the family, yet smart about where it cuts corners to come in under budget. For the most part, the Huawei P20 Lite meets that brief with a fair amount of style. Indeed, style is the operative word here. All three P20 phones represent a design departure for the Chinese brand.